Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, August the 9th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9063. Yeah, 9063. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And yeah, this one has 4 stars. It's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. I don't think so. Maybe it's a 1 star, maybe a 0 stars. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here, only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see 2 triple boxes. The 2 is already given here, so the other 2 should be the 1 and the 3. 4 is already filled in, the inside box. Yep. Here, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Next question, do we have here quadrat boxes? I see here 1 quadrat box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. So my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yes, here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. It's also connected with that box, so it's a 1. Alright? And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those as shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 and a 3, we already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box supposed to be there. Then these two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. Yeah, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Let me see. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These two boxes surround one can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Let me think. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Then. Let me think. Well, these two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Yeah. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes down. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then this box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. Think. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Here also same numbers in this area, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. Yeah. I think this box should be also 2 or a 4 because it can be 1, can be 3, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, 2 and a 4. Okay. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. Okay. Interesting. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 4 because we have a 4 here and 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can be 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5. Well, we have a double 2 there, so I cannot place the 2 here. The 2 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me think. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and 5, let me mark those. Here also the same numbers, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Alright. Here can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area, so 1 digit left should be the 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last, in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. 1 and a 2, we already have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes here with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 or a 4, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. Well, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, we have a, or can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2, 1, 4, yeah, okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes, 2 out of 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, I've told you. Can it be a 4? Can be a 3? Can be 2? Can be 1? Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And it's weekend. Yes. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Till then, bye bye for now.